My current SEO tool set includes Ahrefs is my primary tool. That's where I spend a lot of my time. That's where I'll do keyword research. I look at backlinks. We have all of our competitor projects set up. That's where we're doing rank tracking. That's where we do competitor analysis. That's where we do content analysis. So I spend a lot of time in Ahrefs. I also have SEMrush. SEMrush is something I use to verify information, and also it's just a second tool. The team is quite big, so we can't all be on Ahrefs all the time. Whenever, I'm on Ahrefs or the team's on Ahrefs, we have an alternative that we can go to. I can, of course, just buy more seats up on Ahrefs, but I would prefer to have two different tools just so I can validate what's kind of going on. So I have SEMrush as my secondary tool. We have Phrase, which helps us with content writing. So this is what the content writers use. The content writers also like using a tool called WordTune, as well as Grammarly, which everyone has already heard about. We used to be on Surfer, but we changed to Phrase, I think, a month ago, because they have a very good deal where it's like an unlimited amount of content briefs, which was very attractive to me at not a very expensive cost. So that's why we switched over, but we used to have Surfer. I've already listed all the admin tools. So we have Slack for communication. We have Google Drive to keep all of our folders. We have ClickUp as our main PM tool. Loom is another tool that me and my team have. And then I used to work with a lot of different companies before this. So there was a point in time where I've paid for Upwork so that I could get more credits to hire people. There's been points in time where I've bought credits on Whitespark. So that's another tool. We use Whitespark for my local client to basically do local keyword tracking, because you can't do that in Ahrefs or SEMrush. They do it by nation. So it's like Canada, US, whereas Whitespark, you can do it Toronto, Markham, Scarborough. They look at like geo-specific areas. We have Bright Local for citation building. I used to use Fat Joe and the Hot from time to time to get backlinks, but we haven't really done that too much this year. We also used to have ContentFly, which is now called draft.co. And we have some credits on there, I believe. And we used to use it for content writing, but now I have a pretty comprehensive writing department built up, so we don't really use that anymore as well. But yeah, that's basically my entire tool set.